This video will show you how to best teach with big questions. The title of every unit of Now I Know is phrased as a content question, a big question, that students will try to answer throughout the unit. Thinking about the topic in this way, students use their natural curiosity and can tap into what they are interested in. Additionally, as students work on the questions individually or in groups, they develop collaboration, creativity, and independent learning. Students start the unit by looking at the photo related to the big question. As they discuss the photo, they also remember or learn the basic language that is needed to discuss the topic. Already at this point, students will volunteer some answers to the question, and perhaps some more questions that they may have. They can record their ideas in the workbook, and as a class, you can write them down on a bigger piece of paper that you can return to. In levels 1 and 2, this may still be happening in their native language if they are struggling to express themselves. There is value in encouraging this process anyway, and with time, students will be increasingly confident to use English to discuss their ideas. If students do come up with additional questions, it is worth letting them explore these further as a group or individually. This will encourage their independence and allow them to follow their own curiosity. They can then bring their findings to the class and share what they have learned with their friends. As you cover the unit, there will be text, recordings, or activities which will look at the topic from other angles. These are signposted with a question mark icon in the student book. They are a chance to stop and reflect on the big question again. Are there perhaps any new conclusions that students have come up with? Are there any new ideas that they want to explore? These can all be added to the big piece of paper where you initially wrote down your thoughts from the first lesson of the unit. If you would like to develop the big question further with your class, you may want to refer to the speaking and vocabulary book. For each unit, it suggests 3 additional lines of inquiry which constitute 3 lessons. For example, in a unit on what happens in extreme conditions, the speaking and vocabulary book suggests the following questions. What are extreme conditions? How do extreme conditions affect us? How can we be prepared for extreme conditions? The Now I Know page at the end of the unit brings together all that students have learnt in terms of content. This is the time to gather all the answers to the big question that students have found, whether in the student book, the speaking and vocabulary book, or by themselves. Make sure you discuss them all as a class so students have a chance to appreciate all the things they have learnt. You may want to refer to all the notes you have taken throughout the unit and to look through the book again, looking for the question mark icons. This bringing together of all the findings will also help students prepare for the projects which finish the unit. We have now discussed how to best use the big questions in Now I Know. To learn about the other course components, please watch other video clips in the series.